Hello, my name is Shekhar. Welcome back to my channel SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing. Friends, today I am back with a new topic, an adjective, one of the parts of speech. What is adjective? An adjective is a word which tells about a person, place, an animal or a thing. Sometimes these adjectives come alone, sometimes these adjectives come before nouns. Let us see one example. This is a beautiful flower. Beautiful is adjective, flower is noun. So here beautiful comes before a noun flower. Here beautiful modifies a noun flower. So describing words are called adjectives. An adjective modifies a noun. Okay, let us see another example. This is beautiful. Here beautiful comes alone. There is no any noun after beautiful. Okay, so we can understand one thing that these adjectives sometimes come alone, sometimes come before nouns. Okay, these adjectives are of different types. Let us see one by one. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, distributive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, emphasizing adjectives and exclamatory adjectives. Let us see the first one. Quality, adjectives of quality. These adjectives tells about shape, size, color, taste, condition, behavior and feeling. Shape. So let us see some examples. Circular, spherical, round. One example I will tell you. This board is rectangular. The ball is spherical. Here spherical tells about the shape of the ball. Okay. Here rectangular, spherical are adjectives. They tell about the shape of a noun. Next, size. This is a big house. Here big tells about the size of the house. So big is adjective. Color. This board is white. This board is white in color. So white is adjective. Next, taste. The mango is sweet. The lemon is sour. Okay. Condition. This is good. That is bad. Here bad, good tell the condition. Okay. Behavior. She is cruel. He is kind. Here cruel, kind or adjectives. Feeling. This is smooth. This is rough, like this. Okay. Here smooth, rough are adjectives. They tell feeling. Quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Some, much, little, all, no, any, sufficient, etc. are adjectives of quantity. I have some problems. Here some is adjectives, problems is noun. Okay. Much, he has much patience. Their patience is noun. Much is adjective. So much comes before a noun, patience. So much is adjective. Next, little. Little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Please remember it. Little knowledge is a dangerous thing. So little is adjective, knowledge is noun. Okay. All. He has lost all his wealth. So all is adjective. His wealth is noun. No, I have no money. No is adjective. Any. Have you got any money? Any is adjective. Sufficient. I have taken sufficient food. Here sufficient is adjective, food is noun. Okay, let's see the next one. Number. 5. 5 in the sense any number. 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. Few, no, many, all, some, most, several, first, etc. 5. The hand has 5 fingers. There are 10 apples in the basket. Okay, there 10 is adjective. Here 5 is adjective. Few. There are few pens in his box. Few is adjective. Pens is noun. Okay. No. No student attended the party. No student attended the party. Here no is adjective. Student is noun. Many. I have many books in my cupboard. I have many books in my cupboard. Okay. All students should attend classes on time. All students should attend classes on time. Here all is adjective, students is noun. Some students must be punished. Some students must be punished. Some is noun. Some is adjective, students is noun. Most Indians like cricket. Am I right or not? Next, several. There are several things to be solved. There are several things to be solved. Here several is adjective, things is noun. First, Sunday is the first day of the week. Let us see the next one, distributive adjectives. Under distributive adjectives, each, every, either and neither come. Let us see the first one, each. She has worn bracelets to each wrist. She has worn bracelets to each wrist. Here each is adjective. Next, every. Every person must obey the rules and regulations. Every person must obey the rules and regulations. Here person is noun, every is adjective. Either parent may sign here. See this example, either parent may sign here. So either is adjective here, parent is noun. Either parent may sign here means the father may sign here or the mother may sign here. So that is the meaning of either parent may sign here. Let's see the next one. Neither parent attended the meeting. Neither parent attended the meeting. That means the father did not attend the meeting, the mother did not attend the meeting. Have you got it? Let's see the next one. Demonstrative adjectives. So these adjectives demonstrate this, that, these, those, such. Okay, let us see the first one. This boy is industrious. This boy is clever. Here it demonstrates. Here this is adjective, boy is noun. That clever is, that girl is very clever. That girl is brilliant. So that girl. So that is adjective. These apples are mine. These problems cannot be solved. Here these is adjective. Those rascals must be punished. Here rascals noun, those is adjective. Such, I hate such things. Here things is noun, such is adjective. Okay. Let us see the next one, interrogative adjectives. Under interrogative adjectives we have what, which and whose. Let us see an example of what. What manner of man is he? What manner of man is he? Here manner is noun, what is adjective. Next one. Which book do you want? Which book do you want? Here which is adjective, book is noun. Okay, next. Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? Here pen is noun, whose is adjective. Let us see the next one, emphasizing adjective. Here one very emphasizes. Let us see one example. I have seen the incident with my own eyes. I have seen the incidents with my own eyes. Next, very. This is the pen. This is the very pen I want. This is the very pen I want. Okay. I think you have understood. Okay. So here one and very are adjectives. Let us see the last one, exclamatory adjectives. What a blessing. Here it shows exclamation, strong and sudden feeling. What a blessing. What folly. What an idea. What a piece of work it is. Okay. Like that we can use what as exclamatory adjective. Friends, there are some more important things regarding adjective. Okay, we will discuss it later. And before going to exit, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon for instant notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your responses. And thanks a lot, my dear friends. Have a nice day. Bye.